Welcome to Nae Waste at St John's. This is our special Christmas episode where we're going to explain to you and show you how we're going to make this year's Christmas project, which is these Christmas trees made from HDPE, that's recycled milk bottles. We hope you enjoy. So our Christmas tree project is a flat pack project. All of the pieces, there's 4 components, are made from HDPE sheet, and you can see how we make the HDPE sheet in episode 2, Under Pressure. On the computer we design the shapes, get the sizes right, make sure everything fits, and then we go to the laser cutter to cut out the 4 parts of the Christmas tree. Well, we hope you really enjoyed seeing how we made our Christmas trees from the recycled milk bottles using the laser cutter and the other pieces of equipment that we have in the department.
Thank you, Doctor. That was fantastic. And thank you too for all your help this year. The Doctor's been great. He's been helping me out get that give and take box back into its working order. Now, obviously, we've done the work around it. The kids have made some wonderful hearts to go on the outside of it. What we need now is food to go in it. So if you can make some great donations to both our food boxes and the Perth Food Bank, that would be greatly appreciated at this time of year. So thanks again for all your support this year.
The give and take boxes are throughout our local community to help people who are in need at any time. And the way it works, you just come, give what you can, and then anyone who needs support can come and take what they need.
Give what you can, take what you need.
Another thing we are doing is supporting Perth and Kinross Food Bank, which is our local food bank, who help people in the community at this time in particular need. And what we're doing, we have these baskets where people can donate food and other supplies that people might need. We'd like to thank you all for your support of the Nae Waste project over 2021. We've done lots of different projects, all trying to reduce waste and to use resources as well as we can.
We look forward to seeing you in 2022 and have a great Nae Waste Christmas.
Merry Christmas!